You have been such a strong pillar in my life these past 5 years. I know that God brought us together because He knew that you and I would bring the best out of one another. I truly admire your passion and determination in everything you do. You are such a kind-hearted, sweet, and selfless person.
Don't cry, you're making me cry.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Thank you.
I always wondered when God sent me my husband what he would be like. With you, he has given me more than I could have ever dreamed. He has given me a husband who has the best character and is pure of heart.
With this ring,
I give you my love.
I give you my love.
I pledge my faith and trust.
Pledge my faith and trust.
For as long as we live.
For as long as we live.
Receive this as a symbol.
Receive this as a symbol.
Of my commitment to you.
Of my commitment to you.
With this ring.
With this ring,
I give you my love.
I give you my love.
I pledge my faith and trust.
I pledge my faith and trust.
For as long as we live.
For as long as we live.
Receive it as a symbol.
Receive it as a symbol.
Of my commitment to you.
Of my commitment to you.
I declare by the authority committed to me as a minister of the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ that this couple is now husband and wife. Now, Hubbard, you may kiss your bride. Well, it's now my sincere pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time ever, Mr. and Mrs. Hubbard and Katie Humphrey.
No doubt that the two of you will continue to build a beautiful life together, filled with love, laughter, and perhaps a few more adrenaline-packed adventures.
She's the person I call to laugh with, ugly cry with. She's the person that I know will advise me when I feel lost or down. She's the person who gives absolute acceptance, abiding affection, and unconditional care.
Hub is one of the greatest humans I've ever met, as you guys all know. He's loyal, he's funny, dedicated, has a ton of charisma, has always pushed me to be a better man in every area of my life.
While they're different in their own ways, they complement each other so perfectly that you can't help but think, wow, these two are meant to be.
Hub was basically the mayor of Ann Arbor. His ability to strike up a conversation with a stranger on the street and turn a 10-minute walk into an hour-long adventure was honestly incredible.
You have such an amazing capacity to listen and to be supportive, a willingness to put your heart on the line, which gives them others the comfort to be open with you.
Hub, I'm very proud of the person that you are and the person that you become. And I'm incredibly happy to call you one of my best friends.
I hope and dream that your love for each other, your support of each other will be full of passion for everything that you do, both together and individually.